Hello everybody, Keith here again. Excuse the rather shaky video because I'm having to hand hold this to get it properly. You may well remember from a few weeks back where I was having some work done on the conservatory and the chap accidentally knocked the end off the original flower spike on this Psychopsis Mariposa of mine. And now I'm just letting you see what's happened since. The top end seems to be dying back, but I think you can see quite clearly we've got a new bud starting to form, so this spike's going to recover, and its pal down here, let me zoom out a little bit, you can see there is growing again quite steadily, quite nicely. So yep, we're still going to have two spikes on this plant, which pleases me no end. Thank you for watching, hope it's been interesting. Look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now.